Now, anybody who wants to know details, it's all changing right here, by the way. Massive amount of housing being built around here, probably not affordable, but certainly all changed around here. This is where all the photo shoot takes place for all the cars, anybody from abroad. Far and wide will often come here to take a photograph. They certainly cut some trees down there. It's all changed right here now. They do gather around, take some photographs. See the French there, Germans and others. It only takes place once a year, so it's only really, as you come at other times. So they've taken little trees down over there. And that's the old elephant, I think, and the conference centre. Well, that was just there, I do believe. It's all changed around here. I think anything's open to the public now. You can see there the cars come in and go on that sort of plinth area there. The cars leaving here, Longbridge Rally 2026. After the photographs as well there. No Hill Lane. We're in for a photograph here. Looks like they can chat. Longbridge Rally 2026. Good turnout. The weather's been dry. Certainly not a lot more down in there. Unfortunately.
I believe those are the only buildings that still are left.
Yes, there have been redevelopments going on for years. The elephant and the old conference centre there, we've looked across there. Big piles of masonry there, probably not long removed.
Jeffin! Give us a break!